Right guys, welcome now to the final part of this course vlog here at Withington with myself and my dad. And we are currently locked in a match. I am one up, although my dad has a shot on each of these last three holes. And these last three at Withington are probably the toughest. So we've got a par 5 here, which is like 550 yards, then a 420 yard, I think, par 4, and then like a 400 yard par 4 to finish, which is super tight. But you have a shot on every single one of them.
Good, I've saved them.
Save them, and you are waiting in wait.
Get lost for words.
Not the best analogy, that was it really.
There.
So guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button as well. Comment below, what do you think the result of the match is going to be? It is pretty tight at this moment in time. So with a driver, I mean, it's not really reachable in two today. Wind is into as well, so just gonna be a driver and a layup. That's the best one of the day, I think, so far. Very good. That was a nice drive, that. I think I need to be one under through these last holes to beat you, I think.
Yeah, Pete's got to play well. I've got to play well as well. Well, I've just hit a really good drive there. It's into a very stiff breeze, straight down. But the way Pete's hit his last few drives, I think it's going to be a good one. Whether the wind's going to touch that or not, is it going to bring it back? It's just on the edge of the trees. Alright, kick, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I won't be able to go for this in two today anyway, I don't think, with the wind, so it's just going to be a layup for the both of us.
Yeah, we both flirted with the trees a bit there, but Pete happened to flirt with them 100 yards past where I flirted with them.
Yeah, you're there for one though.
True.
There for nothing. There for nothing. So just in the right hand side of the fairway, it's only knocked down there, going 5 wood.
5 wood, yes.
New favourite club?
Yep.
So there are some fairway bunkers to avoid. I think you've got enough power to fly the first one, and I don't think the second one's going to be any trouble for you. So.
Right. Yeah, we'll try a left or right slider.
Oh wow! Okay.
Come on.
Called it.
Come on.
Yeah, it's okay.
Bounced up, didn't it?
Yeah, no, that's fine. You're okay there. It's around to the right. Yeah, it's the pin here is like over there, so it's just going to be a layup. Just going to hit a 5 iron.
Don't know where that ended up.
Started to lose it a little bit these last few holes. What club have the dream team decided on then?
I've decided on my rescue.
Is that your choice, Mum?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's actually, I'm not sure where the pin's at the front, but it says 160 to the middle.
160 to the middle.
It's into a slight breeze.
Just a slight one. Planes and police cars, all sorts kicking off. Whoa. Oh, got away with it though. More than got away with it. Go in. Oh! More than got away with it. Oh my word. Hey, I'll tell you what a good club. What a good club choice that was. Well done, caddy.
Yeah. That's a lesson for all you reviewers. It doesn't matter how it gets there, as long as it goes in the right direction.
Yeah, no. No chance really.
There's a gap there.
Yeah, the only issue is the pin is tight behind the bunker, and as you just saw, my dad's pretty much in for a kicking birdie, so I've kind of got to hold this. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm just going to hit a low 5 iron. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna have to go to the left of the bunker. Hopefully, hold my next, and hopefully my dad misses it. Well, it's out to the fairway. So for a birdie, what do you think? Pretty straight?
Yeah, the green is very
Just left edge. I mean, you got 2 for it, so it's not... I won't say there's a massive amount of pressure on this putt, if I'm being honest with you, but go on. Everyone wants to see this going. That. What was that? What was that?
I just had the 2 putts in my mind to bring it back to level. It's match play.
I've got a good mind not to give you that one. No, you can take it away. You can take it away. Right, back to All Square. 17th hole. Wow. It is going to go down to the wire.
Of course.
All Square. Now this 16th is a tough one actually. It's a lot tighter now the trees have grown in as well. The pin is down and on to the right hand side. Drivers at the ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
All square, 2 to play.
Yeah, 2 to play and 2 shots as well. I think if you're a betting man, you'd be putting them on you at the moment. That's pretty good. Curving back as well.
Back a bit, yeah. Yeah, that's okay.
Pretty bright on the screen, couldn't see it down, but it looked good.
I think Pete's going to be looking for his Sunday best on this one. I can tell the way he walked up to the tee. I think this one, ladies and gents, is going to get the treatment. He's given it a good smack, but it's gone rightish. The green's over there, Pete, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's not where you want to be. Just trying to fade it with the wind.
Wind's going that way, yeah.
My head's not quite on at the moment, I don't know why.
Pressure from lad, you see.
That's what it is. The pressure.
From
Too
dad.
much.
From dad. not
Too
from
much.
lad.
I'm from me. Self pressure. 172 and perfect angle in as well. Really good drive that. On the left hand side. Pin is a yellow flag, so it says that's in the middle, but that's just above the ridge line, so.
Right, yeah, so it's 190 to back. So this time I'm going to my rescue club again. But this time I'm going to try and just get it a bit further.
I'd hit it exactly the same if I were you, if I'm being honest with you. Oh yeah, should have thinned it.
It's gone right,
Yeah, just towards the bunker. Took a bit of foliage off. Yeah, I'd have thinned it again if I were you.
yeah.
Don't work when you strike it well.
Struck it all right, just went wrong way.
So just to the well, well it ain't well, yeah. you can see as much as I can there, really.
You might have to play it to the right hand side or the left hand side, Pete.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go out there basically.
Yeah.
Kind of where Carly's walking, and then just try and hook it in. I mean, I've got a bit of distance on my side, so probably about 120 from here.
How did that end up? It looked great.
I think that's back right of the green, I think.
Yeah, that was really good.
I think it's back right of the green.
That was really good.
And as an added bonus, well, they went and found a commando.
Is it a commando?
Commando.
Yes.
Commando. Giveaway coming soon. So apparently mine has just finished up over the edge there, so I'll be chipping down onto the green. That has ended up in the bunker. So 60-degree lob wedge. Tricky shot, this one.
Not a lot of green to play.
No, not a lot at all. But you have a shot on your side, so all you need to do is get it onto the green, and you're there for 2 with handicap. So net 2. Yeah, very good up and down hit. Unlucky. Unlucky. Yeah, it was well out. It was just the wrong side of the ridge. Yes, just needed to the right. Not bad though. Well out of that. Okay, so for a 4 for 3, but a 2-putt might actually do it for me. Again, so short with my chip. I've had so many chips today finish short. Just can't seem to hit hard enough. Frustrating, but this to go 1 up with 1 to play. It's got a chance, it's got a chance! Yeah! Look at that! Oh, well. What an up and down that is. That is 2 net birdies in a row. 2 net birdies in a row.
There you go.
1 up, we want to play.
We want to play.
18th hole, 420 yards. Back into wind, pretty straight but very tight.
Yeah.
Very tight hole here. So nothing to lose for you now. Everything to gain. With a shot, that was a great putt, that. Great save. Bunker on the right is probably out of range as well, I think, today. Oh. Just to the right, but not far enough right to be in any.
Didn't get too far, really.
No, it was a bit of a. I'm not sure if it was a strike or wind.
Yeah, well, it wasn't fantastic strike, but the wind just stopped it.
Oh, someone's getting all the luck today, aren't they? All the luck.
Yeah, I must admit, I think Pete's a bit tired having done that Yorkshire 3 Peaks at weekend.
It's no excuse.
Plus his dad's played really well. That ball has gone that far, I can't see it.
Okay.
Where's that ended up?
It's just on the, just to the right of the bunker. It probably gives me a shot in, but I'll have to work it.
All right.
Not exactly what I needed, but
That was a good strike.
I just want a coffee. So yeah, it kind of held up quite a lot, that, to be honest.
Yeah, it did, yeah.
So going in 5 wood.
Yeah, there's
It's still 220 or something.
Yeah.
And 220 left in, so probably more of a layup just to the left.
I'm going to try a left or right slider again.
Oh, left or right slider. Well, it's worked so far today.
Yeah. Yeah, if I aim over the bunker.
Yeah, over the bunker with a slight fade should do you, I think.
Yeah.
Go on then. Bring her home. Yep, very well played that. Nice little cut back. I'm going to finish short of the green, but
Yeah, that's okay.
perfect little layup. Nice shot.
Yeah.
In the trees again.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of room there, Pete.
Yeah, I've got about probably 160 to the middle.
Yeah.
Into wind quite largely, which I think why our tee shots held. So we're going to go little 5. Just going to again say fade it just to the right.
It's just clipped the tree, and I've no idea where it went. Where's it gone? It only clipped a little branch, that.
Clipped it, yeah. It was
Yeah.
right on the edge of it. Ball just completely disappeared.
Yeah. I was looking on green, actually.
Yeah.
I was looking on the green, Pete.
Well, I'm not going to pretend like I'm not surprised and a little bit disappointed about how it's ended up there, to be honest. But
Yeah, I wasn't looking at. It only clipped a branch. Mind you, at least you've got a little.
yeah, I got a gap.
There's a gap.
So yeah, long chip and run with an 8 iron.
Oh, that could be good. That could be good. Is it going to hit the pin? That could hit the pin. Oh, it's just gone past. Oh, that was looking so good.
Yeah, I just missed the rough.
Yeah.
I just hit the fairway and it's just trundled past onto the fringe. Yeah, that was almost pretty good, but might be elementary, to be honest, because all my dad really needed was a par after that second shot, so I'm getting from a slightly different angle.
Yeah, it's roughly 65 yards to the pin.
65 to the pin. And going in with his 56. I'll just get the clubhouse in the background here. Clipped it nicely. Ooh, yeah, nice shot. There we go. So it's probably just on. Well, it's just on my dad. Only really needs 2 putts here for the 4. Only hope I have is if he 3 putts. So even if I hold my next one, that'll only be a half. Oh, bobbled. Well, we'll see if I chip in.
Yeah, it jumped straight away
We'll see if I chip in. If not, then might be conceded.
I'd like to see you chip in, Pete. Oh, one. You did it a bit hard, but it wasn't nasty bounce. I think the boy's tired.
That was a well, head's gone. Head's gone. Well, congratulations. Famous victory for everyone to see. I'm so happy for you. Very well done.
Happy. I'm so happy.
I bet you are.
I'm so happy.
I bet you're absolutely delighted. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for my mum for the caddying duties as well, and obviously for Carly for making the whole thing possible. She's the glue that holds us together. So guys, I'll see you down here next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you comment below, give my dad congratulations on his win. I mean, that last hole was a bit of a squib, but the ones before it, some really good golf. So very well done. Let's go get a drink.